Find the value of x. So a1, 2 power 2x plus 2 equal to 128. Here your observation is, here the base is 2 and here it is 128. So let us rewrite 128 also to the base 2. For that we should take LCM of 128. So if I take LCM of 128, so 2, 6, 4. So 2, 3, 2, 2, 1, 6, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2 2's and 2 and 1. So 1 to 8 is nothing but 2 power. What number means count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let us replace it here. So 2 power 2x plus 2 is equal to 2 power 7. Now your observation is bases are same. You have equal to between them. So whenever bases are same, equal to is present, the rule is this one. If a power m equal to a power n, the bases are same, equal to is present means the powers should also be same. Okay, bases are same, equal to, that means powers should also be same. So here the power is 2x plus 2. Here the power is 7. First get rid of 2. For that subtract 2. So 2x equal to 5. Now to get x, divide by 2. 5 by 2. Okay. Now the next one. 1 by 4 power minus x equal to 1 by 2. See here. You should observe that the base is 2 here. And here it is 4. Let us rewrite 4 also to the base 2. For that, 1 by 4 is nothing but 2 power 2. Power minus x equal to 1 by 2. Next, your observation is 2 has got multiple powers. So the rule which you should apply is this one. A power m power n. Whenever one base has got multiple powers, so the result is multiply the powers. Okay, so here also multiply the powers. What do I get? 1 by 2 power minus 2x I will get equal to 1 by 2. Now, I want to shift this to the top and even this to the top. So what change do they undergo is this one. See here man, if it is a power plus m, you are taking it down, then sign for the power will change, a power minus m. See man, when it is coming back up, sign, change the sign. Positive change it to negative, negative change it to positive. Whenever it is going down or up, sign for the power will change. So here it is negative 2x, when it comes up positive 2x. And here it is plus 1, when it comes up it will become minus 1. Now, you should observe that the bases are same and you have equal to between them. So what rule will you apply is this one. Bases are same, equal to, that could indicate that powers should also be same. So equate the powers. So 2x equal to minus 1. Now to get x, divide by 2. So x equal to minus 1 by 2. Clear? Now the next one. 3 power minus x plus 4 equal to 81. Observe that the base is 3 here and here it is 81. So let us write 81 also to the base 3. For that take LCM of 81. So 81 is nothing but 3. 27, 3, 9. 3, 3 is 3 and 1. So this is 3 power, what number means count? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So replace it here. So 3 power minus x plus 4 equal to 3 power 4. Now your observation is the bases are same and you have equal to between them. Whenever the bases are same and equal to is present, that indicates that the powers should also be same. So equate the powers. So minus x plus 4 equal to 4. Now to get rid of plus 4, subtract 4 on both sides. So I get minus x equal to 0. So multiply by minus 1 to both sides. I get x equal to 0. Clear? Now the next one. 8 power minus 3x equal to 1 by 4. See man, we should make the bases same. So to make the base of 8 and 4 same, I should write both of them to the base 2. Did you get that point? To make the base of 8 and 4 same, I make both their base to be 2. So 8 is nothing but 2 power 3 power minus 3x and 4 is nothing but 2 power 2. Okay. Now your observation is one base has got multiple powers. So whenever one base has got multiple powers, result is multiply the powers. So this will become 2 power 3 into minus 3x is minus 9x. And here, take this to the top. When it comes to the top, what change will it undergo is this one. Here it is plus m, when it is shifting down, change the sign of the power, negative. When it is going back again, change the power positive. So whenever it's going down or up, only the sign for the power will change. So here it is 2 power plus 2. When it goes up, 2 power minus 2. Now your observation is the bases are same and you have equal to between them. So whenever the bases are same, equal to is present, the rule is the powers should also be equal. So equate the powers. So minus 9x equal to minus 2. So to get x, divide by minus 9. So this gets cancelled, x equal to cancelled negative, so 2 by 9. Am I clear? Okay.